Take a moment to arrive. And then from there we can take the ankles. Take a moment, like a minute, or sometimes even two, to allow these feet to relax, this person to trust. And letting these feet to touch your hands as you are tuning in, finding this synchronization. You can take the time needed. After a while, you bring the feet down and you can start to palm one and then the other, building this fullness of touch, this presence, nesting, perfect fit, allowing gravity and your Tien do the work. After some palming, you can go with thumbing. You to do it in circles, one and then the other, being aware that you are working with gravity and not too much with force. The sole of the foot. You can bring internal rotation, one leg, testing, checking, and the other leg. You also find this reciprocal tension in between one and the other, and directing the energy maybe to the lower back, to the hips, the belly, chest. Staying there for a good 45 seconds, 1 minute. Then you let go and start palming the legs, grounding every step. Move the knees, move the kneecap. Coming underneath the knees, you can bounce, release the hips, the knees. And then grounding again on the thighs. Taking a bit the flesh towards to the inner part, grounding. So you can take one leg and then the other one. You can create some helicoidal connecting with the lower back, ribs all the way to the shoulder. You can do it several times. And also playing a bit with the hip, pulling or slightly pushing, and finding different positions to ground this leg. You can be followed by the other leg. Integration from the lower back to the upper part. And then you come to the ribs to follow the breath. First listening to the ribs, the mobility of the rib cage. And slowly helping with the exhalation. I let her guide me. I am behind her breath. But I'm also encouraging that the exhalation goes deeper, there is more mobility, and encouraging also the inhalation to get deeper. Move to the shoulders, flat fingers, leaning backwards, and just gentle pressure towards to the feet. I go to the arm that is in front of me, palming the shoulder, down, and from the elbow down, giving gravity. And I can take this arm, bringing it on top of the, let's say, opposite pocket with an internal rotation. Just being listening how this shoulder lets go, connecting with the fascia on the forearm, on the arm, the shoulder, all the way maybe to the neck, ear. Just being witnessing how the neck can I can do the same in the other side. And then I continue with the shoulders, bringing my hands on top, my index finger at the level of the collarbone, not pressing too much, just direction to the feet, and then fingers creating this stretch in the front part of the neck. I can be like working with both hands, or leaving one hand still and the other, or creating some motion, dissociating these shoulders, or working also with the thumb in the trapeze. That one with the feet. I give time for one shoulder to go down. And then I go for the other. And go in 3 different positions. Move the shoulder, middle, or closer to the neck. After, I can use my heels to go underneath, like a Charles Chaplin style, and searching for the base of the neck. And slowly coming back to the front, relaxing my feet. And then I take the head from the back. As for an inhalation, when the exhalation is happening, I go to maybe the first resistance. I can pivot my hand. Inhalation, I can relax. And the next exhalation, I can go to the maximum. To tool done, I can offer a little traction. Coming closer. Just a little rotation supported by my hand. Some posterolateral massage with the base of my thumb and the fingers. I can go with my fingers behind the ears and do some circles. This area where the vagus nerve comes out from the skull. And I can finish by just placing my hands behind the ears and also on the occiput,